Hello, friends. Welcome back to Word Search World, where learning English is always fun, exciting, and full of adventure. Today's puzzle takes us on an amazing journey into the wild world of animals. Wild animals are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. They live in forests, jungles, mountains, grasslands, and many other natural habitats. Every animal is unique, with its own special appearance, behavior, and way of surviving in nature. Get ready for a fun wildlife-themed word search challenge. Remember that the words can be hidden across, down, diagonally, or even backwards, so keep your eyes open and search carefully to find them all. Let's discover the wild animal words hidden in today's puzzle. Zebra is a beautiful animal with black and white stripes that lives in Africa. Elephant is the largest land animal in the world, famous for its long trunk and large ears. Giraffe is the tallest land animal, recognized by its very long neck and spotted body. Tiger is a powerful wild cat with orange fur and black stripes. Monkey is a clever and playful animal that enjoys climbing trees and swinging from branch to branch. Bear is a large and strong mammal that can live in forests, mountains, and cold regions. Panda is a gentle black and white bear that mainly eats bamboo. Hippo is a huge animal that spends much of its time in rivers and lakes, although it can also walk on land. Wild animals are an important part of our planet. They help keep nature balanced, and they remind us why it is so important to protect forests, rivers, and natural habitats for future generations. Now it's your turn. Can you find all these wild animal words hidden in the puzzle? Look carefully, because some words may be easy to spot, while others could be hiding in unexpected places. Take your time, stay focused, and enjoy this exciting wildlife adventure. Word searches are a wonderful way to improve your English vocabulary, strengthen your concentration, and have fun while learning. If you enjoyed this wild animals word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss another exciting puzzle. More fun themes are coming soon, including space, sports, food, school, weather, holidays, superheroes, nature, and many more. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Keep searching, keep learning, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English. See you next time in another exciting word search world adventure.